This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start your GMC Sierra with a key. First, ensure your vehicle is in a safe, stationary position. Then, confirm the transmission is securely in either park or neutral. This is a crucial safety step before attempting to start the engine. Once these initial checks are complete, you are ready to proceed with the ignition process. We will cover each step in detail to ensure a smooth start every time. Once you're inside your GMC Sierra, take your key and gently insert it into the ignition cylinder. Make sure it goes in all the way until it stops. Next, turn the key clockwise to the on position. You'll notice several indicator lights on your dashboard illuminate for a few seconds. This is completely normal and indicates the vehicle's electrical systems are powering up, preparing for engine ignition. After the dashboard lights have cycled, it's time to engage the starter motor. Continue turning the key clockwise past the on position to the start position. Hold the key in this position for just a moment, typically 1 or 2 seconds, until you hear the engine successfully fire up. As soon as the engine starts, release the key. It will automatically spring back to the on position, keeping your vehicle running. Once your GMC Sierra is running, take a quick moment to check your dashboard. All warning lights should now be off, indicating everything is functioning correctly. Listen for any unusual sounds or vibrations from the engine. If the engine doesn't start on the first attempt, wait about 10 seconds before trying again. This allows the starter motor to cool slightly. Also, ensure your battery has sufficient charge and its terminals are clean for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.